take the back off for the secondary system, and I'll be able to get my hand inside there so I can get that screw in the corner. And these are the, I thought I only had to take one off, I had to take both off. So that it'll open up the case completely there in the back. And now it's time to put the panel for the second system on. And that's how it looks with that panel installed. And from the so the tabs hang out from the back, and the panel hooks in the bottom there, and then you put the two screws up top to hold it. The next thing is put that stud in now, right over here. As you can see, we have all four studs in, and I found taking the back out and trying to put that stud in with the back off, it was not the best scenario.